Hello, Anil, here again to answer another question coming in from Susie K. Thank you for sending in your question. And Susie was asking, well, Anil, I just partnered with this company. What do you recommend I do in order to be successful with this enterprise? And that's a very good question. Here's what I want to recommend. Here's what I've done over the years to be successful. You want to take time to understand what you're in, what company you partnered with, the platform. For example, what products and services they offer, customer support, customer service, what countries they ship to. Very important. You want to understand the platform for support, mentorship. How does this company build a network, build a team? Now, why do I bring this up? Well, whoever you go and talk to, your clients to be, that you want to become a product user or use your services or even to partner with you as a business partner, you want to come from a place of clarity. You want, when you speak, people can tell that you know what you're talking about. Nothing is worse than sharing about your products and services and someone partnering with you and they sense from you fear, worry, and doubt. You want to be very, very clear. So, Susie, I hope that answers your question. Remember, get crystal clear on the platform you're in so that when you go and share this with your clients, they know unequivocally, 100% that you know what you're talking about and they have nothing in the way partnering with you to use your product and services or become a business partner. Thanks for your question.